Is a system error preventing the Msvcrt Microsoft C Runtime DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. This DLL file is the legacy Microsoft C Runtime library. It contains standard functions for C programs, such as string manipulation and memory allocation, preserved for compatibility with older applications on the PC. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Because the Msvcrt Microsoft C Runtime DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open Command Prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the Msvcrt Microsoft C Runtime. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like the Msvcrt Microsoft C Runtime DLL. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to the Msvcrt Microsoft C Runtime. If Windows OS Core is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.